Carbocations are also known as carbonium ions. Carbonium ions. The part nium that is very common in positively charged radicals. Ammonium, hydronium, nitronium, etc. In that manner, this is carbonium ions. They are positively charged carbon species. Let us consider one simple compound, that is methyl chloride or chloromethyl. Okay, as a result of heterolysis in this compound, in this species, Cl is more electronegative than carbon. So this electron is shifted towards this chlorine. That leads to the formation of cation and anion. That is CH3 plus Cl minus. This is methyl carbocation. How many bonds are present around this carbon atom? 3 bonds are present. That is totally 6 electrons around carbon. 6 electrons around carbon. That is, there is no octet. So, this species is electron deficient. And this acts as electrophile. Electrophile is represented as E+. This is the geometry of methyl chloride. That is nothing but tetrahedral. Okay. By the removal of one Cl minus, geometry is changed into triangular planar. That is this sp2. This is sp2. This is also sp2. And one vacant orbital will be there. Vacant orbital. That vacancy can be represented by this plus charge. Listen here. This is tetrahedral structure. Tetrahedral. Okay. The geometry of methyl chloride. Cl minus is removed from here. What happens as a result of this removal? The geometry will become as triangular planar. Triangular planar. So don't forget, hybridization of carbocation is sp2. Geometry of carbocation is triangular planar. Normally in these 3 types of reactions, carbocations are formed as reaction intermediates. Elimination reactions are of 2 types, E1 and E2. That is elimination unimolecular and elimination bimolecular. But in elimination unimolecular, the intermediates are carbocations. Then E plus addition. E plus addition means electrophilic addition. In that reaction also, reaction intermediate is carbocation. And nucleophilic substitution reaction. There are 2 types of nucleophilic substitutions. First one is SN1 and then SN2. In SN1 reaction intermediates are carbocations. In elimination reactions, we have to study beta elimination, that is dehydrohalogenation and dehydration. Dehydrohalogenation and dehydration. Okay. Next, E plus addition, that is nothing but Markovnikov addition. Like hydration and also hydrohalogenation. In SN1 reaction, the first step is nothing but formation of carbocation. In these reactions, the reactants which can produce most stable carbocation can react fastly. Okay, so reactivity of the reactant can be predicted by the stability of carbocations to be formed. As the positive charge on carbon increases, the chance of attack of negatively charged species will also be increased. So, as positive charge on carbocation decreases, what happens? Stability of carbocation increases. That means the chance of attack of oppositely charged or negatively charged species decreases. Stability of carbocation is proportional to 1 by positive charge, that is inversely proportional to positive charge. As positive charge increases, stability decreases. And also stability of carbocation is proportional to delocalization of positive charge. Means the position of positive charge will be changed constantly. By these two factors, the stability of carbocation increases. If positive charge is localized on a particular carbon, there is no possibility for changing the positive charge, then stability will be decreased, since the chance of attack of oppositely charged species increases. Now, factors affecting stability of carbocation. The important factors are, first one is aromaticity, and the second one is resonance effect or mesomeric effect. Third one is hyperconjugation, and last one is inductive effect. Okay, these four factors decide the magnitude of positive charge on carbocation. The decreasing order of effect of these four factors is aromaticity greater than resonance or mesomeric effect, which is greater than hyperconjugation, which is greater than inductive effect. These three factors are very much important in the aspect of NEET examination: resonance or mesomeric effect, hyperconjugation, and inductive effect. We are going to discuss many species to understand the effects of these four factors. We can compare the stability of these four carbocations. These are simple carbocationic species. This is methyl carbocation. This is ethyl carbocation. This is isopropyl. All these groups we have discussed already. Isopropyl carbocation. This is tert butyl carbocation. Now listen here. Which factors are playing here for the stability? In this carbocationic species, there are three methyl groups are attached on this positively charged carbon. Methyl groups are plus psi groups. So what happens? Plus psi effect will be here, here also plus psi effect, here also plus psi effect. That is positive inductive effect. As a result of positive inductive effect from three sides, what happens? That decreases the magnitude of positive charge here. Okay, so this species has maximum stability among the four. Isopropyl carbocation contains two methyl group directly attached on positively charged carbon, and its positive charge also decreases, but as compared to this, positive charge will be higher on this carbon. Now next one is ethyl carbocation. Only one CH3 group is attached on the positively charged carbon, so the positive inductive effect will be less in this case. In methyl carbocation, there is no plus side groups attached on this carbon. So there is no inductive effect in this carbocation. So first we discussed in the aspect of inductive effect. So inductive effect is maximum in this case. The highest stability for tert-butyl carbocation, then isopropyl, then ethyl, and last methyl. The second factor in this case is nothing but hyperconjugation. How hyperconjugation works? We have to search for alpha hydrogen atoms. Just consider this compound. This is positively charged carbon. The directly attached carbon is alpha carbon. So this is alpha carbon, this is alpha carbon, this is alpha carbon. So total number of alpha hydrogen is equal to 9 in this case. So hyperconjugation will be maximum in this case. As a result of hyperconjugation, this positive charge will be delocalized in the system. This is alpha carbon, this is alpha carbon. So number of alpha hydrogen is equal to 6. In this case, this is the only alpha carbon and alpha hydrogen is equal to 3. In this case, there is no alpha carbon, therefore no alpha hydrogen. So in the aspect of hyperconjugation also, this is the species with a higher stability. Next set, ethyl carbocation, N-propyl carbocation, and isopropyl carbocation. Here we have to consider inductive effect and hyperconjugation. As we discussed earlier, hyperconjugation effect is greater than inductive effect or I effect. If I effect and hyperconjugation effect are in opposite directions, then we have to consider hyperconjugation effect. So firstly, we have to calculate the number of alpha hydrogen. In this species, alpha hydrogen is equal to 3 because this is alpha carbon and hydrogen present on that alpha carbon is 3. So alpha hydrogen is equal to 3. In N-propyl carbocation, this is the alpha carbon. So number of alpha hydrogen is equal to 2. In isopropyl carbocation, this is alpha carbon, this is also alpha carbon, so alpha hydrogen is equal to 6. And we can give the number for this one. This is first species and this is second one and this is third one. Then order of stability is nothing but 3 is greater. Why? Here the greater number of alpha hydrogen atoms. So 3 is greater than 1, then 2. This is the decreasing order of stability of these 3 species. Don't forget this one. Here hyperconjugation is very important because if you are considering inductive effect, I effect is more powerful for ethyl group than methyl group. Okay. But if we are taking hyperconjugation, we have to consider this one as the species with the more stability because it has more number of alpha hydrogen. In set 3, the given species are allyl carbocation, isopropyl carbocation, and cyclopropenyl carbocation. Firstly, we have to check allyl carbocation. This is a conjugated species, that is positive charge and a double bond are separated by a single bond. That is why this is an example for conjugated system. So this will show resonance. In this case, this is alpha carbon, this is also alpha carbon. So 6 alpha hydrogen atoms are present and this show hyperconjugation effect. Now in third carbocation, that is cyclopropenyl carbocation, This is aromatic. Aromatic. Here the considering factor is aromaticity. This species has a cyclic structure, planar structure, and number of pi electrons is equal to 2, that is 4n plus 2 pi electrons. If n equal to 0, then number of pi electrons equal to 2. So this compound obeys Huckel's rule. That is why this is aromatic. We have learned already aromaticity is more powerful factor for stability than resonance, that is more powerful than hyperconjugation. So we can give the order of stability as 3 is more stable than 1, which is more stable than 2.